Lord Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
We're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. Let's get it popping. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. All right, TikTok, if you want to join on YouTube, link is in the bio. Otherwise, you guys look at the little small chart. All right. So, where we at? All right. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hello. Good morning, CJ, Sunny. What's good? JJ, Velo, Ekron. Let's get it. Good morning. Let's make some money. All right, guys. So if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, indices. London session, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. So I don't use any indicators, straight price action, clean charts. So I do top-down analysis, clean the charts, delete everything off, start with the monthly, and let's see what we see. So right away we see on the month, we're hella bullish. Looks like we're filling this wick right here. We're breaking previous resistance. It looks like there's a little level of support here, little level of support there that it may be testing, but we have some really nice clean price action to the upside. Okay, so I don't see this slowing down anytime soon. Looks like last month we rejected and we're pushing up. I would at least come and test the top of this wick and then see how price starts to react there. So let's go ahead and look at this on the weekly, see what we see. Yeah, so we got some really nice patterns forming here. So you can see previously we were consolidating here. See the consolidation. Finally broke out, pulled back, and looks like it's moving to create a higher high. So breaking out of this area right there. Breakout, retesting, creating the new high. So nice bullish trending behavior there, price action. Moving to the upside, creating higher highs, higher lows. Move on the daily, see some of the same price action, but it's currently tapping out right here on the top. So it could be a double top here if we start to see rejection and push to the downside. But we just want to monitor that and see what price starts doing around this price, 167.605. If we bust through this, we could be breaking up and then coming back to retest. So let's move down to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we want to establish our tops and bottoms, top and bottom zones from where current price is at. Price is literally right at the top here. So we are super close to that price. And then below here, I would be looking at price in this area. Yeah, right there. Move down to the 1 hour to refine it. Make sure I'm capturing my areas of interest. Yep, good on that. Now that I got my area where I want to play within, I zoom in and move down to the 15-minute, so I can then establish a range where I can potentially break out of to capture a quick scalp move, 10, 15, 20 pips. We're not looking for anything major, just looking for to secure a quick move during the live stream. It's about 16 pips right there. I will say that there's this wick. That's the only thing that concerns me right there. Otherwise, we could move this down here. This range is not good. Can move it here. This is better price action with the smaller wick. We might want to wait on this one. And then, I mean, breaking below that is it's ridiculous. We'll see what price does here, because it's only 16 pips. So depending on where the candle closes, like, that might not even give us a fair shot for a trade as far as risk to reward. So what we'll do here is move it down here for the meantime, and we'll set our targets here, breaking below that. I'd probably put a target right here below the wicks, another target around here. So potentially first target about 27 pips, second about 40, and third about 67. Okay, now to the top. Gotta move to the left to see price action. You guys hear me okay? Forgot to check with you guys. I've started streams before and I'm like on mute. Nobody says shit. So here's first move here. So I'll tell you right away, it's not worth it. See this range, 7 pips. So this is gonna move up, and even from here to here, still not worth it. 9 pips. So then look at this next level. This is still not worth it. So then look at this next level. About 23 pips there. We can make something happen there. If it breaks out of that, we're looking at second level there, and then potentially third level right there. So if we look at this, first level about 23 pips, second level about 37,